Cover up, inside, hands up, inside, hands down. Sanity, attention. Sanity, attention. Hands cover up, inside, hands up, inside, hands down. I'd like to welcome the speaker for their speech.
प्रधानाध्यापकज्यू, उपप्राध्यापकज्यू, उपस्थित गुरुवर्ग, भाइ बहिनी, दिदी दाई तथा मेरा प्यारा साथीहरूलाई हार्दिक नमस्कार। म कक्षा 8 की छात्रा देशरा भण्डारी यस वक्तित्व कलामा भाग लिन पाउँदा अत्यन्तै खुसी छु र आफूलाई भाग्यशाली ठान्दछु। मेरो वक्तित्व कलाको शीर्षक रहेको छ फुलबारी। रङ्गी बिरङ्गी फुलहरू फुलेको बारीलाई नै फुलबारी भनिने गरिन्छ। फुलबारीमा विभिन्न प्रकारका फुलहरू फुलिरहेका हुनेछन्। फुलबारीमा फुलहरू मुसु मुसु मुस्काइरहेर फुलेको देख्दाखेरि जसको पनि मन अत्यन्तै खुसी हुने गर्दछ। फुलबारीमा मानिसहरू गएर फुलको सुन्दरतालाई निहारेर सुवास लिने गर्दछन् र आफ्नो मनमा फुल जस्तै राम्रो हुने र फुलको सुवास जस्तै आफ्नो नाम फैलाउने विचार गर्दछन्। मलाई फुलबारीमा फुलिरहेका फुलहरू अत्यन्तै मनपर्छ। धन्यवाद। हजुरहरूको दिन शुभ रहोस्।
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all, respected principal sir, vice principal sir, teacher, brother, sister, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me, Adas Karki, standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of bad uses of internet. Before starting my topic, I would like to thank the organizer who have organized this type of program, which helps to increase the confidence level of the student. Now my topic goes like this: bad uses of internet. People are using internet nowadays very much. Some children are using for only games. That is very bad, and that affects students very much. And some young people are using it very usefully. We should use the internet for our benefit, not for the playing games or thank you.
Hands up, inside, hands down. Sanity, attention. Sanity, attention. Hands cover up, inside, hands up, jump hands. Inside, hands down. Thank you, welcome our best. It's your short to give something.
Thank you, Raju. Standards. Attention. Cover up. Rather be active. Inside. Eyes. Look front. Hands up. Stretch your hands. Inside. Hands down. Standards. Attention. Cover up. Inside. Do it together. Hands up. Clap together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. Inside. Hands down. Standards. I would like to congratulate the winners of yesterday's ECA, that was spelling contest. Junior finale was very interesting. So there was great competition between two houses, and it was declared very interestingly. Students are taking part in extracurricular activities very willingly. And I have noticed teachers were also in full-fledged competition. That's great. And coming extracurricular activity is Nepali hijje pratiyogita. Remember, I've got the list of words for senior, 100 words, for junior, 100 words. And Nepali hijje is much more tougher than English spelling contest. You have to be very careful. We follow here also PSP model. So I will talk with Nepali teachers. They will give you the techniques. And today, house teachers will provide spelling list to those students who are interested to take part in Nepali hijje. Tomorrow whole day you can practice, and Sunday there will be rehearsal. Those who are capable to compete, they will be selected, rest of others will be discarded. And from Sunday, there will be regular practice till Wednesday, and as usual, Thursday is grand finale of Nepali hijje pratiyogita. Today is the first day of Asad. You might have noticed about some programs in this month. There is one terminal examination. So please follow all the techniques to memorize the taught lessons. Next important thing, there was minor confusion about subjects of grade 8 and 9. The children, they didn't bring the books of coaching classes. We will inform you in which half we are going to conduct the extracurricular activities. Only those periods you should not bring the subjects, but coaching time, it is not holiday, so you have to bring subjects regularly. Last time there was problem. It is heard that they didn't bring science book, but there was science coaching. Attention. Studies. Attention. Cover up and side and up and side and down. Studies. Attention. The mass time. Do it together. Do it together, everybody. If you do not produce sound together, you will remain here for a long time. Eh? Together. Yes. Come on. Come on. To make it active. Move your hands front and back and legs. Watch for the sound. Rather than wire passive. 1, 2, 1, 2. Come on. Okay. Band of the house, boys, move forward. Rest of others, be in your own position. Come on. Why are they passive? Please, be active. Time tablets, you can check whether they are moving on time or not.
नमस्कार मैम। नमस्कार मैम। नमस्कार मैम। नमस्कार मैम। नमस्कार मैम। नमस्कार मैम।
Go in systematic again, everybody.
नमस्कार मैम।